Hi viewer, welcome back. We are now into section Automated Optical Inspection, Object Segmentation and Detection. Now let's move to the first video of this section, Isolating Objects in a Scene. In this video, you will learn how to isolate different parts or object present in a scene, which is the first step to any AOI algorithm. In order to isolate an object, we need to detect it. So let's start with an example to detect an object and classify the object types. Now consider that you are working in a company which produces screws, packing rings, and nuts. Let's say all of them are in the same carrier tape, and your objective is to detect each object in the carrier tape and classify each one to allow a robot to put each object on the correct shelf. We will now isolate each object and detect its position in the image in pixels. Then, we will classify each isolated object to check whether it is a nut, a screw, or a packing ring. The image you see on your screen, we will show our desired results where there are a few objects in the left-hand side of the screen, and in the right-hand side of the screen, we will draw each one in different colors. We can show different features such as the area, height, width, contour size, and so on. In order to get this result, we will have to follow different steps that allow us to better understand and organize our algorithm that you see on the screen. Our application is divided into two sections. In this section, we will develop and understand the preprocessing and segmentation steps. In section Learning Object Classification, we will extract the characteristics of each segmented object and train our machine learning system or algorithm to identify each object class to allow you to classify our objects. The preprocessing step is further divided into three more sub-steps, which our first one is noise removal, next one is lighting removal, and finally, binarization. In the segmentation step, we will use two different algorithms. The first one is contour detection algorithm, and the connected component extraction. Now it's time to start the preprocessing step to get the best binarization image by removing the noise and lighting effects in order to minimize the possible detection errors. In this video, we learned the first step in AOI, that is, isolating different parts or objects in a scene. Cool!